Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the TV and grabbing the remote. Press Home, navigate to Settings, then Picture to open brightness and backlight controls. Once in Picture, switch picture mode to Standard or Movie so adjustments behave predictably. Vivid often clips highlights. Now raise the backlight for overall luminance and tweak brightness to lift shadow detail. Make small changes, watch a bright and dark scene, and pause between tweaks so your eyes adapt. Once done with basic controls, move into Expert or Advanced settings to refine tone and range. Turn off Eco and Ambient Light Sensor if the screen keeps dimming automatically. That prevents your changes from reverting. Then increase contrast to restore punch, adjust gamma to control midtones, and enable or tune local dimming for deeper blacks without crushing detail. If you know color calibration, small RGB or white balance tweaks help, but avoid large shifts without a test image. To finish, save your picture preset and play varied content, bright HDR and dark scenes, to confirm balance across material. If brightness adjustments seem ignored, make sure power saving and ambient light sensor are off. Check HDMI black level and turn off dynamic tone mapping on source devices. Also update the TV firmware. If the TV still won't change brightness, perform a picture reset. If that fails, it's likely a hardware or sensor fault, and you should contact Samsung support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.